is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at the Cam Pro by Nooie. It is a 2K security camera with a spotlight. All of that in a very small box here, so I can't wait to see what that looks like. So let's take a look what comes in the box. We will cut the plastic across the top here. Open the box. Here we have a little hello, welcome to the Nooie family. Now, you may or may not be new to the Nooie family, but that's okay. We'll open it up one more time. Watch everywhere, from anywhere. Stylish, intuitive, secure. 30-day return policy, 24-hour customer support, 6-month exchange and repair, and then social media. First thing we have here in the box that comes out, though, we have what appears to be a quick start guide. Yeah, this is a nice quick start guide here. Something that has become pretty common with security products is a protected by Nooie home security sticker, so you can put that in your window. Those are always nice. Here we have another type of sticker that says my home protected by. Depending on where you are, it might be legally required that you include that. So that's a nice addition here. All right, so what else have we got in here? We'll start in the center. Here we have the base station. I believe the base station here that we're looking at is something that makes noise through the system. So we'll find out a little bit more about that in a minute. Here we have, I believe, the actual camera. So let's take this sticker off the front. 100%. If you've seen our other Nooie content, you will recognize that this is definitely a Nooie lens. Here we have, in an interesting little packet, this here is part of the mounting system for the camera. I just don't know how. Oh. So this will get mounted somewhere on your wall, and then this is magnetically connected into it. And then I believe it has a ball joint on it, yeah. So we've got a ball joint here so that you could, adjust and re-aim the camera however you want. It's a really, really strong magnet, so you don't have to be worried about it accidentally falling off, which is obviously important in this case. I think that does it for our centerpiece here. So let's come over to this side now. On this side, we have what appears to be a second camera. Yes, a second camera. So now we have 2 cameras. I did not realize that this package came with 2 cameras, so that is a nice and welcome surprise. Obviously, we have another one of the mounting blocks. I do wonder a little bit if there's... Nope, that does it for that too. All right, we have our third side over here. Opens from the short end. Whole collection of stuff in here. So let's see what we've got. All right, here we have a cable in a bag. This cable is a standard Nooie USB cable. If you've seen our other videos, you'll recognize this just in a new color. USB-A to micro, and that micro is very specifically shaped and angled for this camera. So it is a very specific cable for this. Here we have a flat Ethernet cable, standard data cable, so a patch cable. Didn't see what this guy. So this will go to that. Still got more in here. Lots more in here, in fact. All right. Let's push you out of the way. All right. Got 2 bags and 2 pieces. So the pieces here are designed, these are the pieces that mount onto the wall. And then this snaps onto it, and the camera clips onto it. So these 3 pieces together are what make the mounting system possible. 2 of them, clearly, 1 for each. And in here, we have got screws. I'm not going to pop these out, but in these bags, we have screws, mollies. I guess I will open this because there's quite a bit in each one of these bags. It's 1 bag per installation is how it looks. So we've got not quite how I expected that to go. Maybe not. Okay. So we have got 4 mollies, 2 tight threads, 2 wide threads, and this container is exactly the same. So the mollies, it seems like there's too many. The mollies obviously would go into the wall, and depending on what you're going into, you would either use the thin screws or the wide screws to mount this onto the wall. So you've got 1 set for each mount. You've got a single USB cable, not 1 for each. That's because these cameras have batteries built into them, and the batteries last a very long time. So you actually don't have to worry about charging them concurrently. Then we have our base station, which clearly these cameras are designed to connect to the base station wirelessly, maybe through Wi-Fi or a proprietary connection. Wi-Fi frequency 2.4 gigahertz. Not unusual. A lot of products in this product category and LEDs and stuff like that run on 2.4 because there's no licensing for it. Then this has here a Ethernet connection. So the Ethernet here, this would go near your router is my guess, and it provides data to the cameras, so you only have to connect 1 device into your network. It looks like it's a pretty straightforward and easy installation. On top of the fact that the actual cameras are better than the Nooie cameras that we've had before. The Cam 360 that we have a product review of right now is, I think, 720, and the Cam 362, I think, is 1080. This is 2K, so a little bit better picture quality, and it's a pair. I look forward to seeing what the quality of this looks like. Obviously, we've just opened it, but we will be doing a full product review on this. And if you want to see that when it's available, it will be here in the description of the video, but it will also be available by going to PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. If you want to see one of the many other unboxings, you can always go to unboxed.live. And if you want to see any how-tos on some of our IoT products, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. Until next time, ciao.